It's Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm Robert, and this is
Eddie.
And today we're making dessert. I went and I bought some apple fritters at the grocery store. I'm going to get me a plate and you a plate. I'm going to put one on each. Give you one. And I'm going to take one. Yeah, they look good as they are. I mean, just as they are, they're pretty good. But we're going to make them better. So we're going to take some honey. Bought this at one of the local farmers markets. Shows. It's already getting thick. You can see this honey in here.
Looks like applesauce.
Well, it's starting to coagulate. Honey does that if it's not properly filtered, and this is non-filtered, as it's more natural. It's fine. We could heat it back up and it would be smooth and runny again, but for what we want it for, we actually want it thick like this. So we're going to scoop some up. And now I want you to spread it on there like peanut butter. Spread it over the whole top.
Okay. Like peanut butter and jelly.
Yep. Put the lid back on there so we don't... We'll need forks. Did you get that spread on there good?
Yep, as best as I could do.
Keep your knife, put down your plate. Now, I bought these berries at the grocery store because A, they were on super clearance, so they were really cheap. B, we can put them on the dessert for tonight. I'm also going to take some of these seeds, take some of these berries and see if I can get the seeds to grow. And we're going to show that video on Enjoy the Culture. So take a few of the berries and place them strategically on your dessert. Kind of like that. Come on. Reach in, put some berries on it.
I'm going to make a snowman face.
A snowman face? You can make whatever face you want on it. And you don't have to put them standing up. You can put them laying down if you want to. See? Is that good? Another berry?
Smiley face. Smiley face.
Koopa shell from Mario. From Mario Kart. Alright. Now, since you can't pick it up because it's all really sticky, you take your knife and you just kind of gnaw a piece off. Hold it with your fork. Yep. Hold it and then push through hard. You want some help? Well, you're getting it.
You only got this much.
Then put it in your mouth, try it. It's really good with the extra honey on it, isn't it? It's natural, unfiltered honey. That's the bomb. I like that. Much better than that store-bought and stuff. And with the berries on it, it's pretty good too. So what do you think? Should we make this more often? This has been Real Easy Cooking with Robert. And we're done.
Smiley face. Smiley face.
From Mario Kart.